In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add funds to Uber account. Let's get started. First, launch your Uber app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the account page. Then head over to the option wallet. Now, before you add funds, you need to make sure you have a payment method added. If you don't already have one, just tap on Add Payment Method and you'll see different options like credit or debit card, bank account, PayPal, or even digital wallets depending on your reason. Once you have selected and added your preferred payment method, you are ready to fund your account. After that, go back to Wallet section and tap on Add Funds. Here you can choose whether you want a one-time top-up, auto-related, or even use a gift card. If you choose a one-time payment, just select the amount you want to like just as $20, $30, or any custom amount you prefer. Then confirm your payment method at the bottom. Make sure everything is correct and finally tap on Add Funds to complete the process. And that's it. Your Uber Cash will be updated instantly and you can use it for rides or food deliveries anytime. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.